Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview social media channel for updates and insights. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to follow Tradingview on social media. So go ahead and follow Tradingview on social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Step 2 is going to be to stay up to date on Tradingview's updates and insights. So you want to make sure that you stay up to date on Tradingview's updates and insights by following Tradingview's social media accounts. Step 3 is to engage with the Tradingview community on social media. So go ahead and engage with Tradingview's community on social media by simply commenting on videos and posts, liking them, and of course sharing those content. Step 4 is to share your own Tradingview insights and ideas on social media, and that's going to help out a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview social media channels for updates and insights. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.